Here we have the MSI Katana 17-inch FHD gaming laptop. Now this has been such a great gaming laptop for me. I've used it for Assassin's Creed, Portal 2, Destiny 2 as well, and it plays fantastically well, 144 FPS, so really great quality. Has no trouble with kind of any lags or anything. The speed is incredibly fast. Love the keyboard, of course. It's got that classic kind of gaming one, so it changes different colors. Even better when you're playing at night. Now, the only thing that I don't really like about this laptop is the weight of it. So it is 1 kilogram. Now, for a normal laptop, that is quite heavy. If you are looking to be on the move, then this probably isn't a laptop for you. But if it is just simply gaming, then obviously you're not going to be moving around with it, so it's completely fine. Highly recommend this laptop. It's pretty, I mean, the price is incredible for what you get. The quality of the screen as well is incredible. It's nice and big. You've also got a really great sound system too, so you almost don't need to wear any earphones. It's that good. Overall, I definitely recommend getting this laptop. Thank you for watching.